What is up, guys? How's it going? Coming at you from Corpus. I came down here for work, so on my way back home to San Antonio, I plan on stopping on a few roads and see if I get lucky, if I find some snakes. If you're watching this, that means that I found some, at least some. So let's see how I do, and stay tuned. All right, so I'm leaving Corpus, and there's a board on the side of the road. Let's check it out. It's pretty good. I think it's real thin. Let's see. It's pretty fresh. No good. Let's keep ripping. Hey guys, so I don't know if you can hear it right now, but the wind is like super strong right now. It's not indicating that on the weather app. Like, it doesn't say that it's windy at all, but it's super windy. You can tell by the trees, they're like really moving. But yeah, my car is like, you can feel it when you drive, your car sways back and forth. But yeah, it was 89, 90 degrees like 10 minutes ago, and I just turned onto this particular road, and the wind just kicked up, and it dropped down to 78 degrees. So I really don't know if anything's gonna be moving right now, but I'm still gonna give it a shot. I'm here, so I'm gonna do one pass on the road that I want to go on, and see if I find anything crossing the road. But anyway, stay tuned. Got a snake. 78 degrees. He's coming back. I think it's a checkered garter. Yeah, just a little checkered. I think I missed another one getting off the road. But yeah, take a voucher shot and get it off the road. I'm glad I'm actually seeing snakes. He pooped all over me. He's cold to the touch too. He's a little bit skinny, so pretty skinny. Not a little bit. But makes sense why he's moving at these high winds and low temperatures. Look at that. It's really skinny. Well, good luck. Hopefully you get a meal in you. Alright, let's keep herping. Alright, we got a little diamondback. Very nice. Let's go check it out. Oh, it's not that little. I guess it's last year's baby, but it's pretty big. It's pretty healthy. Nice. Very nice. Oh, I guess stuff is moving. Well, the wind is coming from the southwest. I mean, the northeast, sorry. Wind's coming from the northeast, but the pressure's super low. So I'm guessing the pressure is what's making these animals move for sure. So cool. Well, let me take a few pictures and then I'll get back to you guys. Alright guys, just let this guy get off the road. Very cool. Let's keep ripping. Guys, look at this manged possum eating roadkill. That is crazy. He's all manged. He was eating that roadkill. No, don't get close to my car. Poor guy. There he goes. better. Damn, that's a huge checkered, I think. Let's go check it out. It's a big freaking checkered. Is it? Oh no, it's an Emery's rat. I thought it was a checkered. So cool. Hey, it's got a faded pattern. Wow. So nice. I just turned around. Let's see if he's nice. Oh, you okay? You okay? You're gonna let me take some pictures? So nice. Oh, snakes are moving. It's crazy. Let me take a few pictures. Alright guys, it calmed down a lot. It let me pick it up, no problem. Super calm now. So cool. The South Texas corn snake. So cool. Very nice. I just love these guys. So cool. They're so cool. Of course, these guys are eating primarily rodents, and this one looks really healthy. Wow. I would say looks like a female, and it looks rather chunky, so it could be gravid. But anyway, we'll let it get off the road and keep herping. So cool. All right, let's let it go. See you later, buddy. After further inspection, it's a boy. But yeah, what a treat to see this big guy crossing the road. Just awesome treat. Come on, he's taking his time. Over there. There he goes. Cool. Let's keep herping. Just saved this guy from getting hit. He was about to cross the road and you're welcome, buddy. Oh man, you're about to be roadkill. He's posting nicely, so let me take a picture, then I'll get it off the road. It's 10:19, 74 degrees. Apparently snakes are moving. Oh, there's another one. There's a snake right there. Let's see what kind it is. Oh, it's a long nose. Nice. It's a small one too. Gosh, before yesterday, I hadn't seen any small long nose cruised. I've only seen, you know, good sized or adults. But wow, snakes are moving like crazy right now. That is nuts. I caught that live. So cool. What's posing? It was posing. Let me see if I can take some. Wait, where is it? Oh. Let me see if I can take some nice shots of this and then let it go. It's acting real defensive right now. That is so cute. Let's see if it, hopefully it doesn't bleed on itself. Oh, that's so cool. Love long-nosed snakes.
nice. Well, I'm gonna take some in-hand shots of this and then cut back and let it go. All right, well, I'm gonna let this beautiful snake go. I think it was going this way. So cool. All right, let's keep ripping.
All right, guys. Almost at home. Tonight was a really good night. I thought we weren't gonna do that well because, you know, when we first got there, the wind was crazy, and then the temperature plummeted. But it ended up being a pretty good night. 5 snakes, 4 different species. It's pretty good. So yeah, I'm glad I came out because it paid off for sure. But anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe and like and comment. But yeah, you guys have a great one, and we'll see you guys in the next episode.